Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Once again, welcome to yes. Good morning, children. Good morning. So, children, we can start. Yes,
How are you?
can see. Yes, I'm fine. I can see all are ready. They are feeling fresh. You are feeling fresh. Yes.
Yes,
Yes. I think you had already one more period in the morning. Yes. Before this math period, you had one period. Yeah.
Yes, Malayalam.
So I can see that all are looking fresh. So children, we will start. We are doing which chapter? Chapter 2, pattern. Krishna, I was not able to see you in before many classes. Krishna, are you there? Krishna, you were attending. Last weekend all I didn't see you. Krishna, what happened? Krishna, can you hear me, Krishna? Yes. No. I think he can hear me. Okay. So children, please try to be regular in the classes also. Okay. So if you are not regular and afterwards you will feel difficult. Okay. So if any reason you have to inform the teachers is why you are absent or that. Okay. So what is pattern? Who can tell me? Yes, pattern. Abhinav? Yes, Abhinav? Can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Patterns.
a pattern is a
Ah.
arrangement of shapes.
We can say it's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. Okay, then we discuss natural pattern, artificial, and also children, we can see patterns everywhere, linear,
Nature.
and we can see patterns in shapes, numbers. Yes, then we discussed vertical line of symmetry. Vertical line means it will divide the shape into equal left and right. Then we have also horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line symmetry means we have equal top and bottom. Okay, it will be same size, shape, exactly like they are reflections of each other. Okay, children, we will continue our workbook questions. Page number 14, all of you. Page number 14. Page number 14. Question number 16.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So children, what is vertical means? It will divide the shape equal left and right. And what is horizontal? You have to see that is horizontal, equal top and bottom. So we are going to draw here line or lines of symmetry. Okay, can you see the first picture A?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, here can you tell me which line of symmetry here? How we can divide this picture? Yes? Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Who is that?
Ma'am, I can tell.
One minute. Yes. Tell me which line you can see. Yes?
Ma'am, Siddharth, I can tell.
Okay, Siddharth.
Ma'am, the stars are symmetrical.
It is symmetrical. Here. Now look here. Look here if I am dividing. If I am dividing like this. It is vertical line. Yes, vertical line of symmetry. And see children, from each corner we can do this vertical line. Okay, so children, how you will draw? We can see from here, we can see the opposite. There is a corner here. You can join the line to the opposite. Like this, you can do all that vertices. Here also we can make. Then here also we can see the opposite here. That is also we can, from each corner we can do the vertical line. You have to check whether you have done all the vertices. Here also we can see here. Now check, here one is missing. So you have to do from See, like this question, I think we have done in question number 15. Children, please check here. From each corner, we took the midpoint of the opposite. Yes, like the same here, we can do. So check how many vertices and opposite that corner you can join the line. And so this is question number A, vertical line of symmetry, vertical. Vertical line of symmetry. So children, from each corner, you have to do the, so here and this one, the opposite vertices, we have to join. Again from here, which is the opposite? Take that. And here also, here. Okay, so which one, the next one? What about this figure, children? Question number B.
Vertical.
Question, yes, it has vertical. Then check.
Horizontal.
It has got vertical line of symmetry. Okay, children, check again.
Horizontal.
It has horizontal line of symmetry also. Horizontal line and vertical line. And here also, children, from each corner, we can do the opposite. So here, vertical line and horizontal line. Vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. Vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, now what about question number C? Question number C.
Vertical and horizontal.
We have,
Symmetrical.
it is symmetrical. We can have vertical line, then
Horizontal line.
horizontal line also. Vertical and horizontal. Question number C. Vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. So which page you are writing, children? Tell me the page number.
Page number 14.
Okay, page number 14.
Page number 14.
Page 14. Question number 16. Vertical and horizontal. Horizontal lines of symmetry. Vertical line of symmetry for question number A. Question number B, we have both vertical and horizontal. Question number C also. And what about question number D? Look at the picture, children.
Vertical and horizontal.
Very good. Vertical and
Horizontal.
vertical and horizontal. So children, you can draw with ruler. Do it neatly. Equal half you have to draw. Vertical. Question number D, the last one. Vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry.
Ma'am, I finished my work.
Okay. Vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry.
Ma'am, I finished my work.
Okay. So children, over? All of you?
Yes. No, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, those are not done.
Over.
Do it faster. Okay. Now, after that, children, what do you have? Question number 17. Complete the following figures about the dotted line as axis of symmetry. You have to complete the picture. Like this, we have done in our chapter 1 also. Yes, reflection and symmetry.
Yes.
Like that, children, you are going to complete. So, can I do the next one? Yes, children? You can complete, no? Vertical and horizontal. I will give you 1 more minute, yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So those who finished, children, 1 minute, let me see. What you have to do? You have to complete the other half here. You can start. Those who finished, they can do as question number 17. This I will give you homework. Those who completed, they can start the homework now.
I finished the 16th.
Okay. So children, I hope you have completed question number 16, all of you? Yes. Okay, question number 17, children, you have to do as homework. 17.
Ma'am, I completed question number 17.
17.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I had a network issue. That's why my class was gone.
I will send this in the note. Who said that network issue?
Anay.
Anay. Okay, so I will send this in the WhatsApp also. Okay. Here you can see, children, what is the only we are drawing here what lines or lines of symmetry. So question number 1, children, we are doing the vertical line. Here from here we are doing the vertical, and here also we are doing the vertical. From each corner we are doing the vertical line. Second figure, children, we have vertical also horizontal. Here from each corner we have to complete. Okay, then question number C also we have vertical and horizontal. Here also vertical and horizontal. Vertical. So only question number A we have vertical, and question B, C and D vertical and horizontal. Okay, question number 17 you can complete as homework. Question number 18. See, children, what do you have to do? Complete the following about the dotted line. So you have to draw exactly like this. If children you are able to draw with these shades, it will be, means you will see that they are exact copy, exact reflections. So those who don't have colors, please try to. Yes, Amaya already completed. Let me see Amaya. Okay. That ladybug. See, children, like this you have to complete. And children, if you have the same colors, you can do like that. Okay, what about question number 17, Amaya? 17. Amaya? Yes? Question number 17. Over? Who can show me question number 17? Somebody told me that they have finished. Yes? What else? Yes, Angeline?
Can show?
Yes, let me see, Angeline. You have completed. Okay. Is that much? Not that much clear. Okay. Then, yes? Anay. Okay, Anay, let me see. Anay. See, children, you can see here. Yes. So the octopus and the leaves, what octopus is having vertical line of symmetry, and the leaves, it is shown horizontal line of symmetry. So you can complete like this, children. And then if you can color it, that will be more beautiful. Okay, children, can you do that as homework? Question number 17 and 18. Question number 17 and 18, children, write as homework. Yes, Andrea.
Can I show my homework?
Okay, Andrea. Yes. Okay. Good. So I told if you can color, you can color later. Okay. Then next one, question number 18, also homework. Okay, children. Now take question number 19. Question number 19. All of you, question number 19. That 17 and 18 you can complete later. Those who are present here, please turn on your camera.
Ma'am, can you show the board again?
Again. Yes, yes. 1 minute. Let me see. Krishna, can you show me your workbook? Krishna? Okay. So question number 17 and 18 is homework. Question number 19. We are, yes, Anna? You want which question? Question number this? 18. Just write to homework.
Ma'am, I want 17.
17 also homework. No, this one. Homework. Okay. This octopus and these leaves. Okay. Now, next one. All of you take question number 19. Question number 19. Okay. Anna Grace, can you read question number 19?
Read and draw and color the next two shapes in the given patterns.
Okay. Draw and color the next two shapes in the given pattern. So question number A, look at the pattern here. We have triangle. And here down, we have, look at the pattern. One
Square.
blank. Okay. Then look at here pattern. Here we have only one row. Here we have 1, 2. Then here 1, 2, 3. So we have to draw next 2 more. So in the next, well, how much will be there? How many row will be there?
4.
Okay. So children, try to draw. Here we have shaded one. Here that blank one inside. Here one in one blank. Then the third row we have 2 blank. In the next one, how much will be there? 3.
3.
Okay. So try to do.
Okay, ma'am.
So here we have small. Here we have little more bigger. Here we have.
I'm going to do now.
Yes, we will do now.
My finish it.
Finished. First one we have already here. Second row we have.
Ma'am, I have completed it.
Mute your audio. Someone please check whether you are. Here the first one, it is shaded. Here it is shaded and the middle one, that is blank white. That is second row. In third row we have 2 blank. Then we have to shade. See, look at the pattern, how the pattern is continuing in the next 2 shapes that we have to do. The alternate one, they are shaded. Alternate triangles, they are shaded.
Ma'am, we can color.
Yes, color means like this, check. If you don't have the same colors, you can shade with your pencil. Okay? But see, one, which all, how many blank, that means that we are not going to shade. Then if you have the same color, you can shade like that. Otherwise, use pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then here, alternate triangles are colored. So one more you have to do. Okay, one more. Here the big one you have to do. Again, one more.
There is no space.
No space. Check below or try to draw little more smaller, okay? Okay, now next one, children, question number B. Check here, we have one small rectangle. Then here one, then the second row we have two. Then we have 1, 2, 3. We have in the last row we have 3. So check in the next how many will be there. In the last row it will be 4. So we'll start here. 4. Yes, and here 1, 2, 3. So here it will be 4. Yes, children, 1, 1 rectangles increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much will be there in the next?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the last row. So we'll take another color. See how the pattern is moving. We have patterns. We can see patterns in shapes. Then we can pattern in with lines, patterns in nature, artificial pattern, natural pattern. So here we are completing here with the shapes. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed. 5.
Ma'am, you want to shade it?
Shading you can do later. Okay. So children, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here already here. So if you want to shade, you can shade. You can use with pencil also.
Ma'am.
So here the pattern you have to understand. Here for only one row. Here we have 2 rows and the last 2 we have 2. And here we have 1. So in the next it will be 1, 2, 3. So we have the 3 rows and 1, 2, 3. Like L. Okay. Now so it will be 1, 1. It's increasing every pattern. It is in the next patterns. It is increasing again. One more. So here we should have 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here 1, 2, 3. That means it is increasing 1. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here so that one more it's increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row and column. They are increasing. Yes, children, completed? Yes?
Ma'am, we have to write the 20th question as homework.
20. Yes, can you do as homework?
Yes.
That is very easy. We can do home 20. See, children, you have to complete the same question. Draw the other half. See, draw the other half. So what do you have to do? Here also you can do complete like this. Here also complete. Here also children, complete. You can do as homework.
Okay, ma'am.
From here, we had to complete. This like a Christmas tree. Yes. So you can complete.
That's all. That all completed.
Completed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you show the 19th question one more time?
This one?
Yes.
Yes. Enough?
Yes.
You can complete, yes. This all drawings children which can complete later, no problem. Okay, here also you can see what is the shape here. So you do like, then you have to do, so we'll start like this. Okay, here also 1, 2 lines here. So what do you have to do? Complete the other half. Complete the other half. You can do as homework, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shabiri finished? Yes?
Complete.
Completed. Okay, can we do question number 21? The last 21 and 22 only. Then we
Ma'am,
can complete. Yes. 21?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
draw 2 letters of the English alphabet that have a horizontal line of symmetry. Can you tell me? Any letters that have? We have done all the English alphabet.
Ma'am, B.
We can see D. Okay, anything you can do. So you can see C,
Only one.
O. Draw
Ma'am, only
two letters.
D.
So we can write D or we can write E. No problem, children. Which were
Ma'am,
discussed all English alphabet.
B.
B, yes. H, but H is having both vertical and horizontal. Yes.
Ma'am, X. X.
That's what. X. So children, you can show horizontal line of symmetry. So you can draw here horizontal line of symmetry. Here also. Okay. So draw 2 letters. So you can draw any 2 letters, but it should have horizontal line of symmetry. And that is very easy. Yes, children, we have done, I think from last chapter also we have doing with the English alphabets.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I do it.
Finished.
Ma'am, already finished.
Finished, already finished. So you can check. See, this is a horizontal line. So you can choose your own English alphabets which have horizontal line of symmetry. So this is letter. Okay. Next question number 22, children. It is words. So if I am repeating this, what is this first letter, first word?
Mom.
Mom. Mom. So children, draw lines of symmetry for these words. You have to draw the line of symmetry such that this word is having line of symmetry. No need to do each letter as a word, the whole word. How we can divide? Is it vertical or horizontal? You have to check. You know, vertical means it will divide the word into equal left and equal right, or equal top or equal bottom. So as a whole, the word. Yes, children.
Some letters we can do.
Yes. Children, check how you can do this. This word mom, I want to divide. Vertical, very good. How, where will I put the vertical? Tell me. Very good. Yes, we can divide this vertically through O. So mom. So this is draw lines of symmetry for these words, not the letter. We are not doing M separately. We are not doing O separately. What we are doing as a word. So tell me for letter B, kid. What is that?
Ma'am,
Horizontal. Very good. Kid.
Horizontal.
Horizontal. So how, children, we will do the horizontal? You have to, K, how we can divide? I, D. So this is horizontal line of symmetry for the word kid. Now, next one. Which is the word? Question number C.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. So tell me how?
Vertical.
Vertical. Very good. Yes.
Vertical.
So we are in the English class now or in math class?
Math class.
Math class. But what we are doing?
class.
We are doing
English question.
Patterns. Yes, patterns. We are doing
Pattern.
patterns in English, words, letters. Yes, children. Now,
Yes.
next one.
Yes.
What is the word?
Cook.
Cook.
You are learning your English accent and all. So you have to tell me how you can pronounce that.
Cook.
Cook. Yes? Okay. So how we can divide that?
Horizontal. Horizontal.
Yes. Horizontal line of
Symmetry. Symmetry. A line of symmetry. Symmetry.
so check, children, you had to draw exactly through the middle. We had to in the middle only. Okay. Cook.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Finished. Now our chapter
Finished.
2 is over. Yes.
Yes.
So I will take the attendance now, children.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am,
Mute your audio. See, all of you completed? All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, children, we have completed our chapter 1 and chapter 2 patterns. So, study well for your exam. Okay, children, we'll take the attendance now.